Welcome back to How Can I Teach My Readers? We are going to talk today about giving an example when we're doing our nonfiction writing. An example is something that we do to make our readers understand our story better. I'll give you an example of an example. All right, so if you have toys, an example of a toy would be a doll, a ball, or a game, right? We're telling more about it. All right, let me show you some examples. This is my dog. Isn't she cute? That's Zoe. Yep, she's cute and super smart. Listen to what I wrote about her. Australian Shepherds are very smart. They can learn many tricks. For example, you can easily teach them to clean up their toys. Now, boys and girls, did you see how I gave an example right here? I first said that you can teach them lots of tricks, and then I gave an example of exactly what kind of trick you could teach them. Now, I'm still working on this trick with Zoe, but she's getting good at it, and I learned how to do it on YouTube, and I'm working on it every day with her because she makes a huge mess. But let's go back to my story here. Did you see I used a lot of strategies? I used a twin sentence. Australian Shepherds are very smart, and here's my twin. They can learn many tricks. And then I used an example, and did you see this right here? I put a different color because I wanted you to know that they're easy to train. They're super, super smart dogs. All right, so you're taking out your same story that you've been working on all week. The story that you have twin sentence in, the story you have big and bold pop-out words in, the story that you made a comparison in, and today you're going to go back to that same story and you're going to try to use some examples. Use the words "for example" in your story. All right, and remember to keep working on the same story, and it's going to be great and perfect by Friday. I can't wait to see what you're working on. When you're finished, don't forget to take a picture and put it in your Google Classroom.